It all began with a single decision to embark on a journey from the twinkle halls of the Northwest A&F University in the vibrant state of China's cultural heartlands. Little did I know, every step I took would weave a tapestry of unexpected encounters and unforgettable moments. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we will show you where we are going. So guys, here we are at the high-speed railway station of Yangling district and the weather is very hot. So now we are just waiting for our train. I will show you where we are going to check in. 你好。
你是跟我握手吗？跟我手嘛，握手，没关系嘛，你是跟我握手。
还走。
拍个照，你说耶，拍个照嘛，笑一下耶。谢谢。
你可以我的朋友吗？
你可以当他朋友吗？你说可以。你说嘛？你说可以。Guys, our carriage number is 12, so it has arrived there. So we will just now move to our carriage. Settling into my seat, I couldn't help but marvel at the speed of the modern travel. With each passing moment, Xi'An drew closer, promising secrets waiting to be unraveled. From the moment I stepped foot in Xi'An, fate had its own plans. My cab driver, a beacon of warmth in a bustling city, regaled me with the tales of ancient wonders and hidden gems as we sped towards the Xianyang International Airport. So guys, we have just now arrived at the Xianyang International Airport. We are about to check in. Amidst the flurry of departures and arrivals, I found unexpected companionship in the form of kindred spirits. Laughter echoed through the corridors, bridging the gap between strangers in a shared moment of connection. The Chinese kid to whom which I had met earlier has gifted me this chewing gum. Wow, it's very nice. Shisha. So I have bought this fresh orange juice. So now we are ready for boarding. Here is our plane. With wings outstretched, I soared towards my next destination, Hefei, a city awaiting exploration under the clock of night. So now I am here in Hefei city, which is the capital of Anhui province. So you can see the surroundings here. We just visited a halal restaurant, this one. This is Qingzhen restaurant. In Chinese, the halal is called as Qingzhen. We are just going to have lunch there. I will show you the food as well. Tashu wo the pangyo. Friends. Friends. And Qingzhen food. So the food here is, you can see here, food of Qingzhen. A lot of food. So this is their kitchen and the Muslim workers are working inside. It's very nice that you came to the Qingzhen restaurant. Thank you. So nice. Thank you. Xie. So guys, the food has come.
这是什么
凉面怎么说？
Noodle.
？Noodles,
Yes, beef noodles. Yes, beef noodle.
beef
But,
noodles,
thi-
vegetables.
This is not hot. This is hot. This is cold.
Cold noodles with beef.
Yeah.
This is hot beef noodles,
Yes, yes.
and this is cold beef noodles.
Yes, yes.
So guys, this is our food, and this is beef dumplings. We will try it with hot sauce.
小碗.
So we will try and taste. How is it?
He loves this.
What is this? What we call this? Oh, okay. This is shredded potatoes with cabbage, hot and sour. We'll also try this. And how? Acha.
From there, I went to the high-speed railway station and went to Nanjing city to meet my relatives. I stayed for one night there. From the very next day, I flew back to Xi'an. And so, as I returned to where it all began, I carried with me not only memories but a newfound appreciation for the beauty. For in the dance of life, every step we take, every person we meet is a part of the grand mosaic of existence.